Hello guys, and welcome back to the Test Alarm System and Electric YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna be replacing and remaking some of the system right here. We are going to be replacing one of those beacons for a conventional Roshni sounder, and the red beacon we are gonna replace with the white beacon. So we're gonna swap that one out with the white beacon, and instead of the white beacon, it's gonna be a Roshni sounder. Now both of these are already fully on, so I don't need to change the base or anything. I just need to change the device. So let's get into it. Here is the Roshni I'm going to change it to. It's a Siemens Roshni. It's a Roshni Maxi actually. I do not know what the difference between this and a normal Roshni is, but it is apparently some difference. The back side is just a classical new style Roshni. For those of you that do not know what these beacons do, they are a building indicator. So when the red light flashes, the red Solex flashes, it means this system right here has a fire alarm going off. And if the white one flashes too, that means the other building, the shed. I can show you the shed real quick. And down here we have the shed. Now this has a separate system, as I told you before. So when this goes into fire, it sets this system in here into fire, and it makes the white Solex flash. I can give you all the demonstration. Just disable the sounders because it's getting a bit late, you know, and I'm just gonna activate the zone outside. Now, as I all told you, the system out there is not a Sinteso system, so it's not interlinked in any networking system. It's remotely connected to a short circuit right here, remote short circuit, so that when this module detects a short circuit, it puts the panel into fire. Now, I'll just do a quick short circuit on the relay here that opens up when you get a fire alarm out there, or actually close it, doesn't open. So let's just close the relay and see what happens. Here we go. You can see we have the shed, and both of them are flashing. And even when the system right here is resetted, it will still keep flashing to indicate that the system out there still is on fire, because the relay is still activated, so there's still a fire alarm going off in there. Now of course there isn't a fire alarm going off, it's just me activating it manually here in the panel. But normally it would keep flashing until you reset the panel out there. Alright, enough talking, let's get into replacing. Okay guys, we have a problem. One of the wires just gave up. That one. And I do not know how I'm gonna fix that. It's very short now, so I'll probably have to do some soldering or something, I don't know. Or just put a Wago there and just call it a day. We'll get it solved in some way. Alright, it might not be the most beautiful solution ever, but you know, it's still gonna be covered by Roshni, so it doesn't really matter. But let's hope this works and doesn't give me any further complications. Alright, they're both up. It doesn't look too terrible, but it's not about the looks, it's about the functionality. So there we have them. We'll put it on DIN tone, so I'll just give it a quick test and we'll see how it works. Here's the old Solex that was up there before. It's just a regular Solex 10, one of those modern ones. They're not even bright. I kinda hate them because they're not bright, but they get the job done at least. Now this one is actually not hooked up to the sounder line, or neither of these are actually. They're both hooked up to specialized outputs that are programmed for this function. So yeah, now let's give it a test. So just like before, we're gonna open the panel up and just short circuit this module, which puts the zone outside into fire. Yep. It's gonna be very annoying. I'm probably gonna have to find a different tone because that gets very annoying because you can't silence it at all. So it will just keep on going. But I'll probably find a solution for that. So, but at least it works. So, right, I changed the tone to something more acceptable. Yeah, here we go. The white one is flashing too, but I don't know if you can see it on camera. And since you can silence it, it's a bit nicer to have one of those more quieter tones. So, but I'll probably hook it up to the sounder line in the future in another video, so that I can silence it, because having that thing going off constantly will give me a fucking headache. Yeah, let's enable sounders, and that's about it for this video. So if you found this interesting, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel because this is what I upload. And thank you all for watching, and please consider subscribing.